Functions. Functions are predefined formulas in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculations. They accept arguments and return values. They accept formulas and return values. Arguments are input to the functions. These arguments can be numbers or text. The values should be given in between opening and closing parentheses. Rules for using functions. All Excel functions must begin with equal sign. Function name must be a valid Excel name. Function must be allowed by opening and closing parentheses. Most of the functions must contain an argument within it. Categories of functions. Excel provides many categories of functions. Some of them are mathematical functions. Calculates the square root or absolute value of a number, product of numbers, etc. Text functions. Performs a number of operations on strings, that is, a collection of characters like hello, friend, computer, etc., such as finding the length of a string, joining two strings, searching for one string inside another, etc. Logical functions. Evaluates conditions such as x is greater than 5 and give the result as true or false. Statistical functions. Calculates the maximum, minimum, average, etc. of a set of numeric data. Date and time functions. Calculates the day, month and year in a date and the hour, minute and second at a particular time. Let us discuss these categories in detail. Mathematical functions. Sum, range.
It adds the values in a range of cells.
Input equals sum into parentheses 4, 8, 12, 16. Output 40. Product range. It multiplies the values in a range of cells. Input equal product into parentheses 4, 2, 8. Output 64. MOD. Mode. Number divisor. It returns the remainder after a number is divided by the divisor. Input MOD into parentheses 8, 5. Output 3. Square root. SQRT number. It returns the square root of the given number. Input SQRT into parentheses 81. Output 9. INT. Integer number. It rounds number to an integer value. It rounds number to an integer value. Input INT into parentheses 14.25. Output 14. Power number, power. It returns the result of a number raised to some power. Input power into parentheses 5, 3. Output 125. Round number, number underscore of underscore digits. It returns a number after rounding to the specified digits. Input round into parentheses 35.666, 2. Output 35.67. ABS number, absolute number. It returns the absolute value of a given number. Input equal ABS into parentheses minus 25. Output 25. Let us use the mathematical functions in Excel. Perform the following steps to use the mathematical functions. Step 1. Type the following data in Excel worksheet. Step 2. To calculate the price of pencils, type equal product into parentheses B3:C3 function in the cell D3. Step 3. Press the Enter key from the keyboard. When you press the Enter key, price of the pencils appears in the cell D3. Using the autofill feature, we can calculate the prices of the geometry boxes and pens. Step 4. To calculate the subtotal, type the equal sum into parentheses D3:D5 in the cell D6. Step 5. Press the Enter key from the keyboard. When you press the Enter key, subtotal appears in the cell D6. Step 6. Calculate the tax by using the equal into parenthesis D6 multiplied by 7 divided by 100 formula. Step 7. Calculate the total by using the equal to sum into parenthesis D6 colon D7 function. Final output appears as shown. Text functions. Concatenate text 1, text 2. It joins together two or more different text strings. Input concatenate into bracket, double quotes touch, double quotes pad, close. Output touchpad. Left into parenthesis text, number underscore chars, underscore chars. It returns the specified number of characters from the left side of the text string. Input equal left into parenthesis inside double quotes touch, 3. Right text, number underscore chars. It returns the specified number of characters from the right side of the text string. Input equal right into parenthesis double quotes touch, 3. Output UCH. Len into parenthesis text. It returns the length of the text string. Input equal len into parenthesis and double quotes touch. Output 5. Upper text. It converts the text string into uppercase. Input upper into parenthesis double quotes touch. Output touch in uppercase. Lower into bracket text. It converts the text string into lowercase. Input lower into parenthesis and double quotes touch. Output touch in lowercase. Let us use the text functions by performing the following steps. Step 1. Type the following data in the Excel worksheet. Step 2. Type equal concatenate into parenthesis A3, B3 function in the cell C3 to concatenate the first name and last name. Step 3. Press the Enter key from the keyboard. When you press the Enter key, first name and last name appear after concatenation. Logical functions. If into parenthesis condition, value 1, value 2. It checks whether the given condition met and returns value 1 if the condition evaluates to true and returns value 2 if the condition evaluates to false. Percentage equal 80. Input equal if into parenthesis percentage greater than or equal to 50, passed in double quotes, failed in double quotes. Output passed.
Statistical functions.
Max into bracket or into parenthesis range. It returns the largest value in the given range. Input max into parenthesis 4, 16, 12, 9. Output 16. Min range. It returns the smallest value in the given range. Input equal min into parenthesis 4, 16, 12, 9. Output 4. Average into parenthesis range. It returns the average of the given numbers in a range. Input average into parenthesis 12, 3, 6. Output 7. Count range. It returns the count of the number of values in the selected range. Input equal count into parenthesis 4, 8, 12. Output 3. Let us use the logical functions in Excel. Perform the following steps to use the logical functions. Step 1. Type the following data in the Excel worksheet. Step 2. Type equal max into parenthesis B3 colon F3 function in the cell G3 to find the maximum marks. Step 3. Press the Enter key from the keyboard. When you press the Enter key, the maximum marks appear in the cell G3. Using the autofill feature, find the maximum marks of each student. Similarly, we can find the minimum marks by using the min function. Date and timed functions. Today, into parenthesis, it returns the current date. Input today and parenthesis.
Output July 23rd. 2024.
Month, into parenthesis today, it returns the current month. Input equal month, into parenthesis today. Output 7. Year, into parenthesis today, it returns the current year. Input year, into parenthesis today.
Output 2024.
Day, into parenthesis today, it returns the current day. Input equal day, into parenthesis today. Output 23. Now, into parenthesis, it returns the current system date and time. Input now into parenthesis.
Output July 23rd. 2024. 11:24.
Hour, time, it returns the hour for a given time. Input equal hour into parenthesis now. Output 11. Minute, into parenthesis time, it returns the minutes for a given time. Input minute into parenthesis now. Output 24. Let us use the date functions in Excel by performing the following steps. Step 1. Type equal to day into parenthesis in the cell. Step 2. Press the Enter key from the keyboard. When you press the Enter key, the current date appears in the cell. We can also give the reference of a cell containing the date to the month into parenthesis function. Similarly, we can use the year parenthesis and day parenthesis functions to get the year and day from a date respectively.